everybody, this is a tutorial to show you how to create a message or push notification for your app. So what you're going to first want to do is go up to the top here and click Messages. This will bring up the message dialog box, which is basically a 4-step process. First step being the actual message creation itself. From here you can choose to send to just iPhone users, Android users, or you can even connect to Facebook and Twitter, thereby putting the message on those profile pages. So since this is for a bar and it's a new happy hour they want to let everyone know about, we're going to say new happy hour is now Monday through Friday, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. And that's what your message will look like. Then you're going to want to go and choose the location, which you have two different options here. One is choosing all users, which will get sent to everyone who has the app on their phone, or you can choose specific area users. Now, this is really great because if there's just a certain area that you want people to know about this certain promotion or message, then you can go ahead and choose any address you like here. For example, there's 1 Market Street in San Francisco. And then you can actually choose the radius of it as well. Right now it's at 16, you can make it really small at 1, or you can make it really big at 50. But for this example, we're just going to stick to all users. Moving on to step 3 is where you can actually attach content to the message itself. You have 3 different options here. The first being an actual website URL. And this can be for your business or for an actual event site that you have, anything. And moving on, step 2 is going to be where you're going to want to link an actual tab within the app to the message. So for example, let's say you have a new event coming up. You want to click on the Events tab there, and that'll link the Events tab to the actual message itself, the actual push note. And then, what we're going to use for this example is choosing from one of our templates here. And this ranges from anything from auto dealerships, down to clubs, gyms, religious, coupons, all the way down to just for fun. But for this example, we are using a bar, so we'll stick with bars. And then out of that industry, we have a couple different images already uploaded that you can choose from. That one's pretty good, that one's good. I like the first one. I'll just stick with the first one. And then from here, you can actually edit the message itself. And since you can offer the title, which we're going to say this is new happy hour, and then in the content, we're going to add a little bit more information about what's going on with the happy hour. So say half off appetizers and half off draft beers, and how about $1 off well drinks. Great. And then you can also create an author's name, could be your name, could be the name of your business, as well as your business's website. Then you can also choose different templates here, different background colors that we have, to kind of fit your design and look out of your website or your business, and just kind of keeping everything in the same kind of color scheme. Really, totally up to you. I like that one there, and you can also change the background color, change it to any of the color spectrums you like. I like that. Yeah, that looks good. And you can also change the picture too. If you have a specific custom image that you or your client would want to use, then you can go ahead and click change picture. And you can, if you have a picture on your computer, you can upload one straight from the computer or type in a URL and use it there as well. So great. There it is, looking ready to go. So moving on to step 4, publish. Basically, again, you have 2 options here. One is the send now option, which means we send it right now, all users, everyone's going to get it. Or you can click on send on, and this is where you're going to want to click a time zone, and you can also click on an actual date and time. So let's say, since this is for a happy hour, click on Friday at 12 o'clock, probably when everyone's starting to think about happy hour, 12:30, and there you go. That's when it would get sent. But for this, we're just going to send now. And then go ahead and click on Publish Message. Please wait there. And then this error message is going to appear if your app is not available in the App Store, which is perfectly fine. This app isn't live yet, so don't worry about that. Let's exit out of that. And then exit out of the whole message dialog box and go to Preview, Step 4. And then this is where we're actually going to see the message that we created. Then you go to Messages. There it is. New happy hour. Click on Template. And there's the template that we created. New happy hour, half off appetizers, and all the color scheme and the image we chose. There we go. Looks really cool. Then you can go back. And what you also do is share this message as well. Either through email, you can post it on your Facebook, your Twitter, or by SMS text message. So, what this is going to do is really create awareness. It's going to drive your business and create a huge return on your investment by basically just sending out specifically tailored messages to app users on the go. All right, so that's about it. Happy texting.